In a world where gadgets and gizmos are everywhere, sometimes the time-tested old methods are forgotten. But methods such as massage can really help to reduce people's low back pain, as well as feeling quite nice. In China, they have a method called Tuana massage, which researchers clarified can really help people who are suffering from sciatica. In Sweden, they have a massage technique called Swedish massage, which again has been shown to be quite effective when it comes to helping people with low back pain, especially if they feel mighty tense. In terms of which method is most effective for you, it does depend, but it appears to be that deep tissue massage is more effective than gentle massage. But again, it's whatever works for you. So if you're in bad pain or just want some hands-on massage to help you relax, why don't you consider getting a massage? Because touch can be powerful, and sometimes the answer is in somebody else's hands.